Hi, my name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Wright Incorporated, a certified women-owned small business. If your team writes deviations, you know how difficult they can be to write and understand. So oftentimes we find with folks who are writing deviation reports that they are this chronological rendering of exactly what happened and every single detail and that kind of thing. And then we finally get to the end and find out what they did, how they mitigated it, right? But the real goal of deviation reports, as you know, is to help management solve the problem or prevent the problem from ever recurring. And oftentimes deviation reports are so muddled with information that may not be relevant, right? That management or the intended reader may have difficulty figuring out what it is that they're supposed to do. Couple that with the fact that oftentimes writers of deviation reports like to blame human beings instead of processes or lack thereof or SOPs, and you can have a real problem. We have a customized workshop that we've developed and been working with a lot of folks, a lot of professionals who write deviation reports to help them understand the purpose of these reports and how to write them in such a way that management can understand them much more quickly and prevent these problems. I'd love to chat with you about it. My number is 877-249-7483, or hit me up via email, pam@hurleywright.com. I look forward to chatting with you. Take care.